Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to see what are the habits that we have to follow as a successful trader. So we will see the habits in detail. There is a wise saying that we follow the habit and then habit will follow us. This is very true. Why? Because average people with good habits will do extraordinary things and intelligent people with bad habits will end up in loss, that is with disappointment. Great traders do follow some habits. That is why it is very important to understand what are the habits that we have to follow as a successful trader. Successful traders will wait for the trades to come to them instead of chasing the market. Warren Buffett has said that stock market is a device for transferring the money from an impatient to a patient. That is, who wait for the trade patiently will achieve success in the market, and those who treat that as a gambling will end up in loss. Always we have to plan our trade. That is, if we enter into the trade, we should be knowing what is our target and what should be our stop loss. So if our stop loss got hit, we should exit the trade and we should wait for the next opportunity. Those who chase the market will keep on losing money in the market. Professional traders, they understand the importance of patience and they will always wait for the trade to enter. There are so many new traders in the market who will eagerly wait to enter into the market as soon as the market open, and they will enter into the market and they will end up in loss. Don't chase the market, always wait for the market to come to you. As per the statistics, more than 80% of the option buyers end up in losses. Why is this? This is happening because lots of young generation, they are coming to trading without knowing the price action. They are putting more quantity and without reading the chart and without knowing the price action, they are making huge loss. So this will make their capital to wipe out in a day. It is very important to read the chart and understand the price action. Why we have to read the chart? Because once we read the chart, we know the price action, and that is the only way of communication between we and the stock market. One of the powerful habits that you have to follow for a successful trader is we have to wake up early in the morning and you have to do the meditation. Have positive mindset. One more thing is that if you are not in a good mood, okay, so you are not supposed to trade for that particular day. Why? Because that mood will affect your trading and you will end up in loss, and in order to cover that loss, you will put more lots and your loss will be more. There are few more things that we will cover in my upcoming videos. This is my trading terminal. This is the Bank Nifty chart, and these are the levels which I used to share in my Telegram channel every evening. So I will be sharing the Nifty and the Bank Nifty level in my Telegram, that is Trader Chitra. So those who didn't know my Telegram channel can follow me in my Telegram. Thank you friends. Please do like, share and subscribe.
This is my Telegram channel, that is Trader Chitra. So those who are want to join my Telegram channel, they can log in, and this is a free channel. Here I will be posting the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. That is daily I will be posting the support and resistance for the next day. So you can use this chart and you can trade. And here also I will share the levels like Bank Nifty and Nifty levels, major resistance and the major support. Also I will be sharing on everyday analysis. Here I will be sharing my live analysis. So those who are interested can join my Telegram channel. Thank you.